Hello everybody, my name is Joris Neves from Lumens. We are here at the ISE show 2023 and we are proud to announce our newest broadcast and AV, high-end AV PTZ camera. This is the A71P-HN. As you can see, this is a camera that is packed full of features. We have a 12G SDI and a 3G SDI output simultaneously. We can also gen-lock this product, so that means it's built for virtual studios because we can time multiple cameras at the same time or together. You also have an IP and a USB output. On the IP stream we can get full NDI and NDI HX3 at the same time. So that means if you need one time 1 gigabit, if you have a 1 gigabit resource, you can use the NDI HX. Do you want to take opportunity of an uncompressed video, you can take the full NDI feature out. This camera is equipped with a 30 times optical zoom lens. And as I said before, it can go up to 4K 60 frames or 50 frames per second. For more information, you can go to our website, that is mylumens.com, or you can contact on any of our sales guys. Thank you very much. See you soon.